Good morning. And we're on our way out to check and see how the chicken survived. I think everybody's doing pretty good. All their cones look really good. They're a little dirty, but everybody looks pretty good. I'll run around here and see if we can't get the cats fed and see how many eggs are in the box. Good morning, guys. Good morning. In the hen box. See what's going on here. Hey, look at there. We got some eggs. Put them in mine. I don't know how long they've been out here, but they don't look frozen. But there's no telling. And not the roof's down, so I'm gonna have to fix that. Get some feed. They get scraps, and I feel like it's enough scraps for them for the day, and I don't feed them anymore any food for the day because they do enough scratching and bugs and stuff out of there. I haven't been letting them out. Back. And plus Dolly's been loose, so I can't let him out. She's my bird dog. She'll eat him up. Everybody looks good. Everybody looks good. Check the water. Need to bring some more water out. I see you. I see you. Okay. How's it going, big guy? How's it going? Come here. How's it going? Okay, everybody looks good this morning. Okay, looks like everybody's doing good. Just wanted to come out and do another check. Thanks for watching.